Yes, good afternoon. This is Thorsten Kruse, Kruse Analysis and Kruse Training. Today, I would like to discuss a little bit the training opportunities in the field of part design, mold design, and processing. Over many, many years, we have now noticed that it is important to strengthen our engineering capabilities by adding skills that will benefit our companies. In the injection molding industry, however, it is very important to get trained on a variety of capabilities. We all know that the injection molding industry, we have to know part design, we have to know mold design, we have to know the molding process, and of course, we also need to know a little bit more about molding. Injection molding simulation, as you know, is one tool for our engineers to make this process of injection molding visible. Within the Moldex simulation tool, we can visualize polymer material flow, we can evaluate part designs, we can evaluate mold designs, and we can try to optimize the process. So a simulation tool like Moldex can visualize the molding process. For the last 25 years, I've done simulations and gained so much insight and knowledge in the process of injection molding that it was time to bring this expertise to a different level, meaning bringing this to engineers all around the world. And that's why we started Kruse Training. So the Industry 4.0 meets Training 4.0. What the mantra here is that we need to have a more industry-wide training tool that looks at cause and effect behaviors in injection molding. And one tool is the e-learning. E-learning, as we know, is a standard nowadays.